Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for innovative and inspiring home decor ideas. Today, we'll be delving into the often overlooked yet incredibly transformative aspect of home design, the landscaping design for the side of the house. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the side yard, a space that can significantly enhance your home's aesthetic appeal and overall value. Landscaping design for the side of your house involves strategically planning and arranging plants, trees, shrubs, and other elements to create a visually pleasing and functional outdoor space. It's more than just planting grass. It's about harmonizing the natural and built environments to complement your home's architecture and enhance your property's overall appeal. Beyond aesthetics, landscaping your side yard offers numerous benefits. First, increased property value. A well-landscaped side yard can significantly boost your home's resale value. Second, enhanced curb appeal. A visually appealing side yard creates a positive first impression for visitors and passers-by. Third, privacy. Strategically placed plants can provide privacy and seclusion for your outdoor space. Fourth, outdoor living. A landscaped side yard can be transformed into a functional outdoor living area for relaxation and entertainment. Fifth, improved air quality. Plants help purify the air by absorbing pollutants. Sixth, wildlife habitat. A diverse landscape can attract beneficial insects and wildlife. The best plants for your side yard will depend on several factors, including your climate, soil conditions, and personal preferences. However, here are some popular options to consider. 1. Trees. Maples, oaks, dogwoods, and flowering cherry trees can provide shade and visual interest. 2. Shrubs. Azaleas, rhododendrons, hydrangeas, and boxwoods offer vibrant blooms and year-round color. 3. Perennials. Daylilies, peonies, lavender, and roses add seasonal interest and require minimal maintenance. 4. Ground covers. Ivy, thyme, and vinca minor can create a low-maintenance and attractive ground cover. 5. Grasses. Ornamental grasses like fescue, miscanthus, and pampas grass can add texture and movement to your landscape. Decorative elements can enhance the overall appeal of your side yard. Consider incorporating the following tips for decorating side of the house to look good. First, paths and walkways. Create pathways using stone, brick, or gravel to guide visitors through your landscape. Second, water features. A small fountain, pond, or stream can add a soothing ambience and attract wildlife. Third, outdoor lighting. Illuminate your landscape with strategically placed pathway lights, spotlights, or string lights to create a magical atmosphere. Fourth, outdoor seating. Add comfortable seating areas, such as benches or patio furniture, to encourage relaxation and enjoyment. Fifth, outdoor dining areas. Create a designated space for outdoor dining with a table and chairs. Sixth, outdoor fire pits or grills. Enjoy cozy evenings by a fire pit or cook up delicious meals on an outdoor grill. Seventh, decorative containers. Add pops of color and texture with potted plants or planters. Eighth, garden art. Incorporate sculptures, statues, or decorative accents to reflect your personal style. When it comes to landscaping the side of your house, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're aiming for a serene retreat, a vibrant oasis, or a practical and functional space, there's a design idea that's perfect for you. Let's explore some of the most popular and inspiring options. Here are the compilation of the top 10 best landscaping design ideas for the side of the house. 1. Create a Zen garden. Embrace tranquility with a minimalist garden featuring raked gravel, smooth stones, and carefully placed plants. The goal is to create a peaceful and meditative atmosphere that promotes relaxation and mindfulness. 2. Design a cottage garden. Channel a romantic and whimsical vibe with a cottage garden filled with colorful perennials, climbing vines, and rustic elements like weathered fences and stone pathways. This style is perfect for those who appreciate a garden that feels like a cozy retreat. 3. Build a herb garden. Combine practicality and beauty with a herb garden. Not only will it provide fresh ingredients for your cooking, but it can also add a delightful fragrance to your outdoor space. Consider using raised beds or planters for easy maintenance and visual appeal. 4. Construct a Japanese garden. Immerse yourself in the serenity of a traditional Japanese garden. Incorporate elements like koi ponds, stone lanterns, bonsai trees, and carefully raked gravel to create a harmonious and meditative space. 5. Develop a Mediterranean garden. Capture the essence of the Mediterranean with a sunny and drought-tolerant garden featuring olive trees, citrus plants, lavender, and other drought-resistant plants. This style is ideal for warm climates and those who appreciate the laid-back ambience of coastal living. 6. Create a tropical oasis. Escape to a tropical paradise in your own backyard. Plant palm trees, tropical flowers, and lush foliage, and consider adding a water feature like a small pond or waterfall to enhance the exotic atmosphere. 7. Design a woodland garden. Embrace the natural beauty of a woodland garden with ferns, wildflowers, and native trees. This style is perfect for those who appreciate a more organic and rustic look. 8. Build a modern garden. Create a sleek and contemporary garden with clean lines, geometric shapes, and minimalist plantings. Incorporate modern materials like concrete, metal, and glass to complement your home's architecture. 9. Construct a secret garden. Add a touch of mystery and intrigue to your side yard with a secret garden. Create a hidden pathway, surround the space with tall hedges or vines, and incorporate fragrant plants to enhance the sensory experience. 10. Create a vertical garden. Maximize your space with a vertical garden. Use trellises, living walls, or hanging planters to grow plants vertically, adding a unique and visually interesting element to your landscape. Landscaping your side yard can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. By carefully considering your climate, soil conditions, and personal preferences, you can create a beautiful and functional outdoor space that enhances your home's appeal and provides a peaceful retreat. Remember, the key to successful landscaping is to start small and gradually add elements over time. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with the process. Thank you for watching, and I encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more home decor and design inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.